Hey, what's up car enthusiasts, and welcome back to Car Trend, the ultimate place for everything on wheels. Today, we're talking about something that's making waves in the off-road and adventure world, the 2026 Ford Bronco 4x4. This is not just a comeback, it's a statement. Ford has taken the legendary Bronco DNA, fused it with cutting-edge technology, and created a machine that's ready to dominate trails, highways, and everything in between. The Bronco name has always been about freedom, toughness, and go-anywhere capability, and the 2026 model turns all that up to 11. Let's start with the design. It's bold, aggressive, and instantly recognizable. The front grille proudly wears the Bronco lettering, framed by signature round LED headlights that keep that retro charm while looking completely modern. The boxy shape, wide stance, and beefy fender flares scream off-road dominance, while the two-tone paint options and removable doors and roof keep that adventure spirit alive. Whether you're cruising in the city or climbing a rocky mountain pass, this Bronco turns heads everywhere it goes. Under the hood, Ford has delivered a range of powerhouse options, with the highlight being the turbocharged V6 that pumps out serious torque for tackling any terrain. Paired with an advanced 10-speed automatic transmission or an available manual for purists, the Bronco offers a level of control and excitement that makes every drive an experience. Ford's GOAT modes, short for goes over any terrain, give you multiple drive settings for sand, snow, mud, and rock crawling, making it almost too easy to conquer challenging trails. Inside, the Bronco 4x4 2026 is rugged yet refined. The interior has washable rubberized flooring, marine-grade vinyl seats for easy cleanup after muddy adventures, and an intuitive infotainment system with a massive touchscreen running the latest sync tech. You've got wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, premium sound systems, and even built-in trail maps to guide your off-road adventures. Every detail is designed to keep you connected, comfortable, and in control no matter where you are. When it comes to capability, this SUV is no joke. With up to 11.6 inches of ground clearance, impressive water fording capability, locking differentials, and an available Sasquatch package with 35-inch tires, the Bronco can go places where most vehicles wouldn't dare. The 4x4 system is engineered for true off-road enthusiasts, and Ford has clearly listened to the Bronco community by making it highly customizable. You can add roof racks, winches, LED light bars, and more to make it uniquely yours. Safety and driver assist tech haven't been overlooked either. The 2026 Bronco comes equipped with Ford Company Pilot 360, offering features like blind spot monitoring, lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, and a 360-degree camera system, which is a lifesaver when navigating tight trails or tricky parking spots. It's the perfect balance of old-school toughness and modern-day smarts. The 2026 Ford Bronco 4x4 isn't just an SUV, it's a lifestyle machine. Whether you're an off-road warrior, a weekend adventurer, or someone who just loves driving something with personality and presence, the Bronco delivers in every aspect. Ford has kept the spirit of the original alive while pushing the boundaries of what's possible in a modern SUV. So, if you're ready for a vehicle that can take you from the daily grind to the wild outdoors without skipping a beat, the 2026 Ford Bronco 4x4 is calling your name. And if you enjoyed this deep dive into Ford's latest masterpiece, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to Car Trend, and ring the bell so you never miss our latest reviews and auto news. This is Car Trend, and we'll see you in the next ride.